what I'm going to show you today is we're going to take this recipe from this book, which was handed down. This is Charlene's dad's mom's handwriting, so she has a recipe book here with soups, and since her dad loves soups, we're going to take this board, which is one of the very first boards we made, so it's very special to us, and we're going to put the soup recipe on it. Now that it's done, we're going to show you it is the exact same font. As you can see, everything looks good, the way she had her C's, everything. So it's this exact text we've been able to put on here. So now you'll notice that there's little pencil marks in the center, plus there's a little bit of shading around it. Now that's because of the heat. The laser's very hot. So what we do here is we just use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So we'll come over here to a little work area. Now rubbing alcohol will dry out the wood and remove any of the sealants you have on it. So we obviously are going to want to really soak this again and make it real nice. But we just put a little bit of alcohol on here and you'll watch it'll come through really crisp.